Sea Ray's premium SLX line is continuing to shine even brighter with its latest addition, the new SLX 280. The SLX 280 showcases a sleek, modern design plus a multitude of premium features that elevate the boating experience and awaken your passion for the water. Hi, I'm Joey Sharp, Director of Product for Sea Ray Boats. Welcome to the new SLX 280. Like its outboard counterpart, everything aboard the SLX 280 has been thoughtfully considered by our design and engineering teams. Its layout has been redesigned to increase cockpit and seating space for added comfort and functionality. Reimagined from bow to stern, the boat features upscale amenities, seamless storage, and deeper seating for a more luxurious ride. The SLX 280 is powered by a 350 horsepower Mercury Mercruiser 6.2-liter engine with a Bravo 3 drive. This standard stern drive package enables a cruising speed of approximately 30 to 32 miles per hour at 3,500 RPMs, providing a range of roughly 220 miles. At the transom, the broad integrated swim platform provides room to lounge and move around. It features a concealable stainless steel 4-step ladder with grab handles. This boat offers a SeaDeck flooring option for added traction and an under-mount automated submersible swim platform option, or a manual submersible swim step option. On the starboard side, you'll locate the fuel fill access, a pull-out sprayer, part of the water system bundle, and a Fusion remote, part of the entertainment bundle's premier audio upgrade. The expanded transom sun pad offers a relaxing spot by the water to soak up the sun and take in the sights. A compartment under the sun pad can be filled with ice and drinks for an integrated cooler, or used as dry storage for lines. Port side under the sun pad is a larger storage compartment with a gas-assisted lid that offers quick access to inflatables, mats, and other water toys. The transom also includes conveniences like cup holders, USB outlets, a two-way acrylic door, and an optional fold-down boarding step. Moving to the cockpit, the SLX 280 offers improved seating and comfort. With luxuries ideal for entertaining guests, the spacious cockpit social area offers opposing and L-shaped bench seating with gas-assisted and hinged cushions that open to reveal storage below. The SLX 280 offers an optional starboard end table. The table includes an inductive charging station, 2 additional cup holders, and a storage compartment. The cockpit also features cooler storage for up to 2 soft-sided coolers and an optional drawer-style refrigerator. For serving drinks and snacks, a teak table is available with a comfort bundle. Throughout the cockpit, amenities seamlessly blend into the environment like LED courtesy lights, cup holders, side panel storage, USB outlets, handrails, and Fusion speakers and components. To keep skis and water sports gear secure and out of the way, there's a large storage compartment in the cockpit floor. This boat is also outfitted with optional SeaDeck flooring. For coverage from the elements, the SLX 280 is equipped with Sea Ray's next-generation power tower with an extendable sunshade. The power tower can be electrically raised or lowered, and the tower can be upgraded with Fusion Signature Series tower speakers and swiveling board racks. For a feature that's sure to impress your guest at night, select both the lighting bundle, offering LED RGBW color-changing lighting, and the power tower options for a projection light that shines the Sea Ray logo onto the cockpit floor. The boat can also be optioned with a bimini top. At the helm, the SLX 280 is equipped with the latest technologies for effortless control and navigation. The helm is equipped with a standard dual digital dash with Simrad 9-inch touchscreen displays, or upgrade to dual 12-inch Simrad displays. The displays offer C-Zone digital switching, Mercury Marine engine data, active trim control and monitoring, a chart plotter, depth finder, and more. Everything at the helm is within reach for quick and seamless control. Access your SmartCraft DTS, monitor the boat systems, or adjust the color of the optional RGBW accent and underwater lighting. The Fusion system can be upgraded to an Apollo RA770 Premier audio system available with the entertainment bundle. Also part of the entertainment bundle, you can keep your phone charged using the integrated inductive charging stations. For seating, the Helm offers a standard 2-person sliding and swiveling bucket seat with a flip-up bolster. The port companion bucket seat also swivels and slides and offers a flip-up bolster. Located next to the seats, side panels house cup holders, USB outlets, and fusion speakers. Moving below, the stern drive engine and mechanical components are housed in a finished gel-coated compartment with gas-assisted hatch. Its layout ensures the pumps, batteries, and filters are all within reach. The SLX 280 has a storage compartment or convenient optional head under the port console. The compartment features an access door secured with a locking latch. When open, there's a magnet to hold the door in place. For added comfort on the water, the compartment can be upgraded with your choice of head, vanity with a sink, and a trash can. Moving to the bow, you'll pass by a compartment with a concealed trash can and a remote key switch. The bow is accessible through a single-piece block-off door. The U-shaped bow presents a relaxing space to recline and soak up the sun with plenty of plush lounge-style seating with forward-facing seats with foldable armrests. Hinge cushion hatches lift to reveal under-seat storage. And there are cup holders and side panel storage. The bow can also be upgraded with a sunshade system. For convenience and flexibility, select the Comfort Bundle to add a teak bow table and filler cushion. There's also an extended storage space located under the starboard seating to stow the tables and filler cushion. Other bow upgrades include a stainless steel 4-step boarding ladder, or select the Anchor Bundle for a windlass and a stainless steel anchor. The SLX 280 displays a modern, sophisticated design with sleek exterior lines that embody Sea Ray's new design language. The vessel showcases unmatched performance, an optimized layout, convenient storage, and innovative technologies for an exceptional day on the water with family members and friends. Plus, the boat is outfitted with touches of luxury throughout its comfortable interior to keep you coming back for more. Whether you prefer a relaxing day anchored islandside or cruising the waves in style, this boat has it all. You can also personalize your boat to match your lifestyle with a variety of bundle upgrades. Thank you for joining me on this tour of the SLX 280. To learn more, to find your local dealer, or to build your own, please visit us at searay.com.